Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a true makeup bag hero, Waterproof Mascara. We've all been there, right? You spend ages perfecting your eye makeup only for a sudden downpour, a tear-jerking movie, or even just a humid day to leave you with smudged raccoon eyes. It's frustrating, but there's a simple solution, and we're going to master it together. So, what exactly makes waterproof mascara so special? The magic is all in the formula. Unlike regular mascaras, which are mostly water-based, waterproof versions use a blend of waxes and silicones. These ingredients create a strong, flexible film around each lash that repels water. Think of it like a tiny raincoat for your eyelashes. This is why it can withstand tears, sweat, and even a dip in the pool without budging. It's this resilient formula that gives it its incredible staying power, keeping your lashes looking perfectly defined and lifted all day long. But with great power comes great responsibility, and that's especially true when it comes to application. Because it sets so quickly, you need to work a little more strategically than you might with a regular mascara. First things first, curl your lashes. This step is non-negotiable. Waterproof formulas can sometimes weigh lashes down, so giving them a good curl beforehand provides the necessary lift and opens up your eyes beautifully. Hold the curler at the base of your lashes for a few seconds, then walk it out towards the tips for a natural-looking curve. Now for the main event, grab your favorite waterproof mascara. When you pull the wand out of the tube, be sure to wipe off any excess product on the rim. Clumps are often just a result of too much mascara on the wand. Start by wiggling the wand right at the base of your upper lashes. This technique is key. It deposits the most product at the roots, which creates the illusion of a fuller lash line, almost like you're wearing a subtle eyeliner. It also helps to build a strong foundation for the rest of the lash. Once you've coated the base, slowly pull the wand straight through to the tips. A slow, steady motion helps to coat each lash evenly and prevents them from sticking together. If you want more volume, don't wait for the first coat to dry completely. Go in with a second coat, while the first is still slightly tacky. Remember, waterproof mascara sets fast, so once it's dry, adding more can lead to a clumpy, spidery look. If you do notice any clumps forming, use a clean spoolie or a lash comb to gently separate the lashes while they are still wet. This little trick makes a huge difference in achieving that feathery, defined finish we all love. And don't forget your lower lashes. For this, you want a much lighter touch. Many people find it helpful to hold the wand vertically and use the very tip to gently coat each of the bottom lashes. This gives you more control and prevents you from applying too much product, which can look heavy and even cause smudging under the eye, despite the waterproof formula. A light, delicate coat on the bottom is all you need to balance out the look and make your eyes pop. It's about definition, not drama, for the lower lash line. Now, let's talk about some pro tips to elevate your waterproof mascara game. If you love the volume and feel of your favorite regular mascara, but need the staying power of a waterproof one, try this layering trick. Apply one coat of your regular mascara first. Let it dry completely. Then, apply a single thin coat of waterproof mascara over the top. This acts as a sealant, locking in your regular mascara and making it smudge-proof without the sometimes stiff feeling of multiple waterproof coats. It's the best of both worlds. Another great tip is to consider a mascara primer. A primer can do wonders. It coats your lashes in a nourishing formula that helps them hold a curl better, adds extra volume and length, and creates a smooth base for your mascara to glide onto. When you use a primer before your waterproof mascara, you'll find that you need less product for a bigger impact, and it helps condition your lashes underneath that durable waterproof film. It's an extra step, but if you're looking for that full slash effect, it's definitely worth trying. Of course, the biggest challenge with waterproof mascara isn't putting it on nits, taking it off. You absolutely cannot use your regular face wash or makeup remover. Tugging and rubbing at your eyes with the wrong product will not only fail to remove the mascara, but can also damage your delicate lashes and the sensitive skin around your eyes. You need something specifically designed to break down those stubborn waxes and silicones. The best solution is an oil-based cleanser or a biphase makeup remover. Biphase removers have two parts: an oil layer and a water layer that you shake to combine. The oil is what effectively dissolves the waterproof formula. To use it, saturate a cotton pad with the remover. Don't just swipe at your eyes immediately. Instead, hold the soaked pad gently against your closed eyelid for about 20 to 30 seconds. This gives the remover time to work its magic and dissolve the mascara without any harsh rubbing. After holding it in place, you should be able to gently wipe the mascara away in a downward motion. You might need to use a fresh side of the pad or a new one to get everything off. For any stubborn bits at the lash line, you can dip a cotton swab in the remover and carefully trace along the roots of your lashes. Be patient and be gentle. Your lashes will thank you for it. Once all the mascara is gone, you can proceed with your regular face cleansing routine to wash away any oily residue. So, when should you reach for waterproof mascara? The obvious times are for special events like weddings, where tears of joy are expected, or for beach vacations and pool parties. It's also a lifesaver for anyone with oily eyelids or those who live in hot, humid climates where regular makeup tends to melt away. If you're an athlete or just love a good workout, it will keep you looking fresh-faced even after you've worked up a sweat. And honestly, it's also perfect for those long days when you need your makeup to look just as good at 9 p.m. as it did at 9 a.m. It provides peace of mind, knowing your makeup is locked in place no matter what the day throws at you. Mastering waterproof mascara is a game changer. It's all about a good curl, a smart application technique, and most importantly, a gentle and effective removal process. With these tips, you can enjoy beautifully defined, smudge-proof lashes that last through anything. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'd love to hear your own tips or favorite waterproof mascaras in the comments below. See you in the next one.